Yeah, Alright, go. Let's go.
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Hi, guys. This is what I'm to my face. I'm my face now showing the camera.
Come, pause. Click, click, click.
Why am I not my face?
Oh, I gave him a makeover, guys. You have a cute hairstyle.
People, she kidnapped me today and put me in her chair. I'm gonna have to just work with the thing. I'm alive and well, people, and for that I am grateful. I was kidnapped today and placed in her chair, and her hairstyle was placed on me.
Yes, I just transformed his look for a little while. 2 days.
People, her hairstyle was placed on me.
I have to take it.
I take it, and I try if you like it, and I am hoping that you guys like it. See there? Sideways.
Back way. But they can't see it yet.
You know, the back way, now. Sideways. And look at it, baby.
They're not gonna see it yet. Babes, remember the intro.
In the blur it up. Oh, shucks. The intro. You're the artist. Come on, the intro, people, intro.
Shelten, awesomeness. Shelten, awesome. Shelten, awesomeness. You're chilling with the Sharp family. You're chilling with the Sharp family.
Hey, welcome back to our channel. We're happy to have you guys. Welcome all new subscribers. All those who are new and like our video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hold on there. Remember, say you're supposed to unveil my face now.
Welcome back, guys. So here is his look. No, cut.
Go on, Chad. Yeah, go on, Chad.
Welcome back, guys. So here is his new hairstyle, 2-day hairstyle.
Yeah, people, I'm gonna wear this for 2 days.
Oh,
she has made a special request, guys.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna wear it for
2
days. I'm gonna be on the road, guys, with this hairstyle for 2 days.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to work with it. It's just over the weekend.
Right.
Anywhere, supermarket, anywhere you see me, is the new hairstyle. I was looking at the hairstyle in the mirror a while ago, and I was like, not bad. It looks different, but not bad, you know? Yeah, so, honey, good job. Even though you kidnapped me in the chair still, but it doesn't know a part I think, people, you know?
You can't tell people some kidnap you, so when the police come for me.
Police can't come for you because we're a couple. Yes, guys, so tonight, I know we haven't been doing any video for over a week now. Guys, we were busy. We had a lot of stuff doing.
Yeah.
So we said, you know, let's get back in the game and get out another content for you guys.
Wait. We want to welcome all new subscribers to our channel. Hope you do enjoy the videos. Yes, we are at 300 subscribers. We want to thank you all.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you from the bottom of our heart. You know,
yes.
300 subscribers. You know, guys, you did it.
That's an accomplishment.
Yes, guys. Thanks for the support.
Yes.
So journey now to 400 and beyond.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
now that you reveal it yourself, come let us do some good pose.
Oh gosh, posing.
Click. Oh, good. Ooh, my baby. Oh, good. So, tonight's video, what's this about now?
Yes, guys. So, as you see in the title, tonight's video is gonna be about, what is it again, babes?
20 things you did not know about us. 20 things you did not know about us.
Yes, people. Hairstyle again, people. Alright, so we got some of these questions from some of our friends, that we should ask, that they asked us to really express on video. So here we go.
What, biz? We can't answer all of them.
We're gonna try and answer some of them, guys. Alright, so the first one is, what are our real names?
Oh, my real name is Tanisha Cassandra Murphy.
Cassandra, people. Tell me in the comment section if Cassandra is a modern name or
Otherwise known as Twee, T,
people,
1010, you name it.
tell me if Cassandra is a modern name or is an old time name, people.
In between.
In between, kind of in between. Alright, so mine is Sheldon Donovan Shaw.
Donovan sound like a big man, one long time man name.
Well, me a long time, man.
No, me long before you.
Anyway, mommy gave me, I don't know why she gave me some work. So Sheldon Donovan
But
Shaw.
Sheldon alright.
Must alright.
But it kinda common. Yeah.
No, come on though.
No.
And Tanisha Cassandra Murphy. Okay, guys, remember that. Okay. When did we started dating? You got a history now. You tell it.
So you don't know?
Yeah, 2 years ago, but you have the exact date, yes.
April 2018.
Alright, so that make it 2 years, guys.
2 years and a couple months.
Yeah. Next question is, what are our kids' names?
Children, not kids. I think are good.
Alright, people. What putting them name? What them name? Alright, guys. So answer that, babes.
The bigger one, Tanisha Vanessa Williams. The second one, which is his daughter, my stepdaughter. What's her name?
Shaniqua Tamoya Shaw.
Shaw.
And
the last one,
our son, DeAndre Nicholas
oh,
Shaw.
I almost forget his name.
I said that on camera. Yo, edit, cut. Sure.
Wait, you believe that?
I sleep, you want to sleep?
You believe that?
No, I'm going to sleep, you want to
I
sleep.
dropped me a check.
That one is stiff here. Oh, sorry, but you forget the boy.
Alright, good. You said?
DeAndre
Our son
Nicholas.
name?
Yeah, DeAndre Nicholas Shaw. Right. And you might be wondering, is there going to be another one? We don't think so, guys. We don't think so. Now is the time to have fun. No more picnic right now. We just want to have fun. We gonna have fun.
F-U-N. Fun time.
Fun time, guys. Oh, next question is when did we start YouTube?
December 2019. But when we started YouTube, we didn't really.
Yeah, we weren't giving it that much
Just on and
focus.
off.
I think it was coming off the back end of us going to the Brayton Hill and doing those WhatsApp videos, and we were like, okay, let's just put these on YouTube.
Yeah.
So at the time we never really had that vigor and vibe to say, okay, let's consistently post videos.
Yeah.
It was actually 2 months ago.
Yeah, about 2 months ago we take this
Seriously and
started.
We're pushing on content.
Yeah.
Because 2 months ago we were at like around 35 subscribers.
Yeah.
35 guys. So in 2 months time we pushed the envelope and we are at 300. You know, I think we're gonna do a video. on how to at least reach 100 subscribers in a month. Yeah, we can give you some pointers on that, guys. If you're new and want to start a channel, look out for that video. It's coming soon.
Comment.
Yes, what I mean, I ask you what I question them.
Oh,
Number
number
6.
6.
Yeah.
Which high school did I attend, guys?
Tell them fear first now.
Well, I attend Edunalin, and I didn't finish Edunalin. I'd move on to another high school in Montego Bay, Arista Memorial High.
Okay. Alright, guys, so my high school is St. Elizabeth Technical High School. Yeah, all the way from the country, guys. We love it down there. Yeah, but you know, we had to come to town and find some stronger work. In the country, you don't really find that much work. But yeah, Stets was a bomb. You know, Mr. Watson, the principal, I call him Shaka. Boss of all bosses. Yeah.
When is my birthday?
Huh?
That's the next question.
My birthday is November 13, people. It's right around the corner.
Right around the corner. What do you
Yeah.
want for your birthday?
Anything you want, give me. Except
Except
that
what?
one thing that with them DJ on video what they will say, for my birthday, all woman can give me another something there. So you give me something special for my birthday.
What?
I don't know.
What?
Can I fart that, eh? See how bad it is. Eh? But that come out of your mouth.
We don't know what the DJ said.
The DJ then say, all the woman they want give the man for their birthday, and that's something there.
Ah!
Yeah, we want
So here's why you're tired from camera then.
we want to be taken out on our birthday, people. Or we get some nice gift.
Well,
some
I
nice
can
gift.
buy 2 pounds of flour and
Next
some
question.
egg.
Next question. What?
Wait. My birthday is January 20. Well, just like 2 months away.
Yeah,
3
January
months
20,
away.
guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What I want for my birthday, I'll let you know off air, okay?
Okay. I think they're wondering what's the age difference. If I will talk about my birthday. What is the age difference?
We'll do that in another video.
Another video, guys. You can go and guess in the meantime what's the age difference.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, other question is, what is the first thing that you're gonna buy when you become rich/wealthy?
What's the first thing I'm gonna buy?
You would wanna buy?
A beach house.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Can
we
work.
can do our weekend getaways.
Alright,
Yeah.
people. I don't think my chest high, but I'd want a yacht. Not a boat, you know. Yacht.
Yeah.
A yacht. Yeah. We
Yes, you need to watch Open to Water. You need to watch that movie, Open to Water.
What, funny? Something wrong with the yacht? I go watch it, but I still want a yacht, people. Yacht. You carry the whole of them on the sea, and we're going to have a jolly good time. So, now come tell me about the movie and no
Oh,
bad things in the movie.
guys, need to watch
Yacht.
that movie, Open to Water.
People, when I get wealthy, I'm getting us a yacht.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, why is the channel called Shelten Awesomeness?
Ask him. Why is it called Shelten Awesomeness?
Alright, guys, so the name was my brainchild. I said to Babes, Shell for Sheldon and 10 for Tanisha. And ever since we've been together, we've been awesome. So I said, let's just call it Shell and Tell Awesomeness. I think initially she never liked the name.
I was wondering if that was really a word.
Yeah,
Like-
awesomeness, because I said one word goes up.
Yeah.
And if it never goes up,
actually goes up.
if it never goes up, we'd have make it goes up. So everybody know that name at work. Everybody would know me, awesomeness. You are awesome. You're gonna be awesome. Make yourself awesome.
Awesome.
Awesomeness. So Shell and Tell Awesomeness. Next question is, what have you learned? What have we learned during quarantine? What have you learned from quarantine? Being in quarantine? People, yeah, boring. Staying home is boring. Staying home make you put on
Because
weight.
we love to go out and have different kind of fun, but staying home can also
Make you gain enough weight.
be depressing at times.
Make you eat a lot. People, it makes you eat a lot.
You eat, you put on weight, you wonder when you actually can go out and
And
have
people,
the kind
we
of
miss
vibes
clubbing,
that you
people.
want.
We miss clubbing. Jesus
And-
Christ, man.
yeah, but there's a lot more that you can stay home and do and get done.
Yeah, we'll do some work. Clean up the house. Oh, what were some of our past jobs? Who go first, me or you?
Well, my first job, I actually worked in a restaurant. I did cashiering, I made juice, I do all kind of stuff. Then I work in a bakery. I do cashing as well as serve. And then in the last part, I was promoted to a little bit of supervisor position, but the pay wasn't added up either. So yeah,
Alright.
it's a two job that I work. After that, I went into hairdressing, and that's ever since.
Okay.
13 years now. Yeah.
Alright, we can have a little history. So people, when I was like 12, 13, I met my godparents and they used to sell in the market. So when I would go and look for them, they would carry me to the market with them. And they would give me time and scale and say, go and sell this.
Yeah?
Yes! Oh, I first say that story?
Yes!
Hush.
Go
So people are big running through the market and everybody else says, listen, hey, do you want time and scaling? It's good for you. You know, people, from the time that I talk to people, 12, 13, 14, right, in the Mandeville market. I got through the bungle.
Wait. I forgot buy time and scale and get
Yes, and that's don't pass. So people, I have my bungler thing in my hand, people, and I go through the market, and everybody me say, hey, time and scaling, do you want any? Come on, you're gonna need it. So it was fun actually going through selling and making some money. After that, I worked on a mason site, carry a block, help them mix some cement and things. In a country, you try everything.
Mm-hmm.
There's not much options. As a boy in the country, you try everything. So I worked on a site, got paid, and I think, the next thing was after I left high school, I joined the National Youth Service Program, where they trained me for about 3 months to be like a teacher for like the primary schools and stuff. So I taught in the primary school for 1 year, grade 1. People, you never like it. Pick them rough. Pick them bad.
You said that before.
You pick them terrible people. So after the 1 year, I said, no, this is not for me. I am leaving this thing. So teachers, kudos to you guys. Good job.
Yes.
Good job.
Yes. I could have
It
managed
takes
that
a lot
either.
of patience, and that was back in 20, a long time. So anyway, after I leave that now, and I came to Kingston, I worked at Burger King for like 4 years. That was fun again, people. I had some experiences there, primarily good experiences. I met some lovely people who up to this day are still friends, so that was it. And then to my current job, which is where, fun place to be at, having fun there. Yeah. So somebody asked what day if we're gonna talk about how we met. And
no, guys, we're not ready to talk about that as yet. That will be a story time to itself when we surpass 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, I think, guys, it's like a milestone thing for us. We know we're gonna reach 1,000 subscribers, and we just want that to be the icing on the cake in terms of all the videos that we've done so far.
Yeah.
How we met is gonna be really a really interesting conversation. You guys will have some takeaways. You probably can apply some of it to your lives and stuff. So please bear with us. That video is coming.
It's special.
Yeah, but we're heading to 1,000 subscribers first, and then we do that video. Alright. Alright. Oh, read that one then. Oh.
Oh, really? But we had to. We did
No.
that in the first part.
No, but we never really know. Well, the question is, people, are we gonna have another baby?
No. A fun time. We said that already. Remember we said a fun time. But baby go. People, it's fun time, right? No baby.
Okay, people, moving on. How long have we been engaged? There's a video, people. If you go through our videos, there's a video.
Put it up there so they can see it.
Yes, there's a video there, guys, showing our surprise engagement.
Yes, it's a little over 3 months now. Almost 4 months.
You can go and watch it, guys. What was our first impression of each other when we just met? Could it be? Well, no, I don't want to give you anything. So let's keep it away. First met, what was our impression? Alright, people, my impression of her was that she seemed down to earth. She wasn't too cocky and use her word properly. Let me not use her word. She never behaved to stush people. So, that kind of drew my attention. She was interested in really knowing me. So yeah, some good things. This is a nice person. This is somebody who have been head onto them body. So yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, when I just meet him, I like the fact that he was able to communicate well, consistently, and
no, she said me chat too much, people.
yeah.
So me
No,
chat
in
enough.
the chat, him cool.
She said me chat enough.
He was down to earth. We could share like about anything, or to talk about anything, and we felt comfortable with each other from day one.
Okay.
So yeah, that was a plus.
Alright, so the next question is, what is something that we like to do with each other?
Sit down and chat about life, make goals.
Yeah, people, we tend to talk a lot about life and goals and our personal development. I think we don't really plan it, but every now and then we'll sit and have a conversation about, goals. What are we not doing now that we're supposed to be doing? That's going to put us in a position to be better people and more financially stable people. So, I think in most of our videos, there's a theme of, personal development, what are we doing to better ourselves, that kind of thing. So, apart from watching Netflix and chilling, yeah, we do find time for development, we speak on that a lot, what are we doing now, what are we going to do next, stuff like that. So I think we have come to the last one, and that is this one.
Oh, yes. What is something about you that annoys the other person?
You go first.
Everything you want to post on YouTube that annoy me.
People.
And everything we want on YouTube.
People.
Guys, I want to share stuff with you, but I choose what I want to share. Yeah.
People.
Him?
People, I'm saying to her that, this journey is going to be a journey that we will have to express a lot of stuff. It's the early stage right now, so we have the option to pick and choose, but soon and very soon we're gonna be sharing a lot of stuff, but we're gonna keep it, civilized. What about Shiva and Naomi, people? She's an awesome person.
What annoys?
Listen up. She not miserable, I'm grateful for that.
So what annoy you?
Listen now, she not grateful, she not miserable, and I'm grateful for that.
Come me
But-
anxious, that
But
shit out.
people, when me and she have arguments or disagreement, because not because you know she was so nice and thing and whatever for the past 2 years, we do have disagreements. And me appreciate the fact that anytime we have disagreements, we don't have this, you know, on top of our voice arguing and level like disrespect. We have never had that. The only thing we get to miss on my time is that when we do disagree on things, sometimes she chooses to go in a silent mode. And when we are talk to her, all she don't look for me people like. And she not say nothing.
Not annoy you.
People, I don't like it. All she
Then
don't
we
look.
just start cause I'm
People-
going bad.
It's a people, we have a disagreement and the woman just going on one zone. You know what she do it? Silent. Silent, she not chat. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Then me see my phone start beep. And I see one long WhatsApp. So I said, backside. So if you couldn't chat all this, why you send it to me? But anyway,
Whatever. Me go start cause
I
I'm
kind of
going
understand
bad now. Me I
somebody.
change it
Because she
over.
said to me long ago that, Sheldon, I would rather not say something to you in the heat of the moment and regret saying it down the road. So I can understand
Whatever.
what some of our silence mean, you know. So far we've been doing pretty well, guys. We took a week away from doing videos because of other, you know, things that we are doing. But we're back. Every 2 days, every 3 days. Where's the officer to the people? People she want to sleep. I mean a night owl, I don't go to bed for now, but she right now you look on her there, is her bed she want to go. So we're gonna send her bed. You know?
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, leave a comment please, and subscribe, share it with a friend.
And people, tell me if you don't like the hairstyle, you know. Comment. Tell me if you don't like it. This is our handiwork. Long time she want plait it, you know. Long time she want plait the hair.
Okay.
I'm gonna just give you in tonight. A good job. Peace out.
Bye.